Hello guys, and be welcome to this special part that I promised. I'm just okay. I'm going. What do I need? Special sheets. I don't even have this one. This is the one that lets you have the codes, that lets you have the sabers, lightsaber from the ninjas you fight. The shits are around the internet. You can easily find it. Also, I think I could buy all these. I really think I could, because I technically have all the bolts. Didn't buy them for some reason, I don't know why. And here is all the skill points. And these are all the skill points. And of course you have cinematics, sketchbook. This is like images from all the Ratchet Clank, from the design, I don't know. Okay, these are all. And now I'm going to quickly fly to the Phoenix. Where is the Phoenix? Here it is. Hope you are enjoying the flight. Also, after you get all the trophies, you can go directly to the Insomniac Museum instead of having to wait for 3 a.m. I mean, just nailed it. See, after you got all of them, this door opens and you can go to the Insomniac Museum without any problems. And let's show all the trophies then. These are all the trophies. I think I got most of the character trophies. I know I got Al, Courtney. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about Scrunch. Lawrence, I think we got. Nefarious, I know. Quark, I do know. Ratchet Clank too. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this extra part. It's nothing special, but you know. And if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you all in Ratchet Clank Gladiator / Deadlocked HD. That it's probably coming in the next weeks. So see you guys next time then. Bye bye.